Welcome, guys. So today we are going to talk about how we install and how we download and install PostgreSQL on your system or on any server. Okay, so how we do it? Okay, you need to enter download Postgres. That's an official site which is www.postgresql.org.downloads. It will show you. Okay, so in here you need to go to Windows, Mac OS, Linux, whatever the operating system you have on your server. Okay, so I have Windows, and you need to download the installer. Okay, and then whichever the version you want to install. For Linux you need to click on these, Mac OS on these, Windows on this. So I'm going to install 12 version. Okay, it will start here. Okay, without any charger and thing. So I have already installed it. Canceling it. I don't require it. So I have already installed it. So let's go and try to install it. This is the version I have installed. Okay. This I already have on my on another system. So maintaining the version here. Okay. So after clicking on this exe file, you'll get into setup wizard. PostgreSQL. This is the version 12. I do not require pgadmin. If you want, you can install it, but I don't want that in here in this. So next, you need to remember this password what you are going to put here, because without it, you will not be able to enter in the PostgreSQL or create any other user with Postgres. This is the super user, which is Postgres, and this is the password for Postgres user. Okay, the port is 5432, which is the default. You can change it as well. Okay, so this is your installation directory. C program files, PostgreSQL 12, data directory is this, port is this. It will tell you all these details. Okay, next it is going to install. Okay, it will take it will do not take that much time to install. Let it install. Okay, so installation is in progress. It is installed. Okay, so Postgres is installed in our system. How we check it? You can go to here and see. Yeah, that is installed and running. So how do you connect to it? Okay, so for that you need to go to the bin directory. You know where it is. So it's in C program files, PostgreSQL 12 bin, and then open the cmd here, psql capital U. This is the super user with Postgres. You do not create this user, but this is created by its own, and the password for this user is what you have set up while the installation. Okay, so this is the syntax for connecting to the Postgres. Inside the bin, out for accessing this psql or accessing it PostgreSQL outside the bin, you need to enter the set up the entire environment variables. For that you can watch my another video how to set up environment variables. Okay, so password is okay, so I'm connected. Okay, so once you set up this PostgreSQL cluster and set up environment variables, you'll be able to access the PostgreSQL anywhere from your system. Like you can enter command prompt and let me exit from here. You can also use pgctl stop. So not here. Once I need to quit from it, and then you see it is showing you are not able to use these utilities pgctl and create db drop db. You will not be able to use these without setting up environment variables. So in our next video we'll be seeing how we set up environment variables. Okay, so thank you and seeing you in the next video.